Now let's say suppose you are a data analyst of your company and the CEO of your company asks you to present your finding from the car data set. So how are you going to present? Obviously you cannot show your Python program to him. So for this you need to prepare a PPT. So here I have prepared, this is the format that we can follow. So first of all you have to give the heading on the first page. On the second page you have to identify the business objective of the case study and the strategy which you are going to follow. So here I want to identify the variable which impacts the price of the car. So the strategy that we have followed, that we have identified the key intuitive variables and plotted the density curve to find the distribution of data. Secondly, with the help of the scatter plots, heat map and bar plots, we will narrow down to the few key variables that directly impacts the price of the car. So these small things you can mention on the slide, but you cannot mention too much detail on the slide as it will confuse the end user. Alright, so whatever major graph and major plots that you have executed in your Python program, you can take it as the output and you can display on the PPT for the other users. So like here, the price is highly positively correlated with the wheelbase, car length, curve weight, and then price is negatively correlated to city MPG, highway MPG. So the car having high mileage falls in the economic category. So the economic category cars are small and mid-sized car. So let's see this next slide. In the next slide you can plot the individual variables. So here I am plotting a density plot like curve weight and stroke. So the majority of cars are having curve weight of around 2000 to 2500 and engine stroke of 3.0 to 3.5. Note that whatever I am showing is just a sample. So here you can plot a 4 density plot, or you can plot business decision or the business outcome which your CEO is expecting. So here I have a variable versus price. So there are few key variables that we have plotted, like price versus aspiration, price versus drive wheel, price versus symboling. Mention here your key insight that you have found out. So your PPT should be very crisp and it should be comprehensive. It means it should cover all the major findings that you have done in your data analysis, so that the business user or the end user can conclude or they can do some analysis for their business.